Hi and welcome to my mess again. This is a steering wheel, a gaming steering wheel. I will try to disassemble it, see what's inside, how those controls are done. It's an old steering wheel. Oh, cool. It's something like that. Oh my god, too much light and you cannot see it. It had a PS2 connector, probably. Yeah, and there is a separate input for a pedal. And here is a connector. It seems to be too many wires for PS2, but it was probably PS2. Let's disassemble it and see what's inside. Okay. It's not that easy. I will have to use hand tools, probably. Yeah, let's use a screwdriver. Normal screwdriver. But maybe I will pause while I remove those screws and I will unpause once all screws are removed. Screws are out. Let's continue. Okay, some screws are here. There's a PCB. I'm more interested in all those switches, how they look like done in the PCB, but we'll unscrew everything. So let's continue unscrewing. Okay, I started removing it without resuming the video, so maybe I'll do it this way. Yeah, here's just a PCB that I will show you in a moment. It's quite complex while I think about how it does, but what it does, but well, some analog converters, probably analog to digital in this chip. Here's some marking, some more light maybe, some more focus please. Come on. And here is the, I will show it to you once again. Here's another side. Well, nothing really interesting here, to be honest. At least not for me. This seems more interesting. Okay, so here's this panel. Some LED. Oh, my light just fell. Okay. Let's see what's here, for example. The light here isn't really not great because it's my second location. It's hard to unscrew. I don't know why. Okay, just some PCB type switches. Nothing interesting here. Here's just an LED. Okay, we can throw it away. And now, okay, now this part. We'll see. We will see this part. Maybe I can use a power tool for that. I'm wondering if there are any analog potentiometers here, or is it all digital with encoders? There's a spring here. Yeah, it just fell apart. Some normal switches, tactile switches with springs. I will reuse the springs, or I will never use them, I don't know. Here's a spring, here is something like that, and can be thrown away. Oh, this is a gearbox. I don't know how to remove it, to be honest. I could just crack it. Okay, never mind. And now this part. It's interesting. Can you see it? Yeah. So let's try unscrewing it as well. Yeah, it has to be analog, or maybe not. I don't know. Oh, the light is horrible. I can see it. Well, I'm not really prepared to record in this location, but I wanted to record it anyway. Yeah, I mostly weld here or do some metal work, as you can probably see by the mess here. And by the way, there's some wire here. We'll see what's there. But I'm more interested in what's here. But we'll get to that eventually. Yeah, we'll end up having tons of screws, some springs, and nothing, not much else. Okay, what do we have here? First of all, yeah, there's just a normal, simple potentiometer. Nothing really fancy here. What is the value? I don't know. It's not written here. And now we have those controls. Yeah, I know you can hear every noise that's here, some trains, because it's next to a train station. This location is next to a train station. Well, it is how it is. Some interesting screws here. I'll have to tell you. The problem is that I don't see the screen of my phone because I'm recording with my phone right now. So I can only hope you can see what I'm doing, but you probably can. Okay, yeah, it does come off. And what do we have here, by the way? Let's open it as well. Right now I'm disappointed. Some switches and potentiometer. Nothing else, but on the other hand, what else did I expect? Screws. Oh, there's this, probably this potentiometer. Is it a potentiometer? No, it's either a potentiometer or an encoder. Let me try bring this out. What is it? It's probably a... No, it's a potentiometer, because it turns only to some degree. So yeah, it's a tiny potentiometer. Okay, nothing else here, just some screws. I will take it apart later. And now this part. Oh, what do we have here? Some spring. Okay, can you see it? Yeah. Some spring that will probably explode if I remove it. Oh, it's loaded, so I want to be careful. Not that much. Okay, spring, can I remove it? Well, definitely I can, but I don't know how. By force, probably not. There is a screw here. Okay, so let's get to this screw. I will have tons of screws. Oh, another screw here. Will it come off? Yeah, it will. Well, this probably won't come. No, it has to. Come on, it will. Right, 1 and 2. And we have this mechanism here. We can remove it. Yeah, nothing really interesting here. Now let's open the steering wheel. Oh, tons of screws, so I think I will pause while I undo those screws, and I will unpause once they are undone. Okay, those screws are undone, probably. Yeah, they are. 1 moment. Okay, can I open it? There's a connector here. There's some buttons. Right, let's undo those screws. Probably nothing interesting here, but okay, let's pause while I do it. The screws are undone. Very disappointing. But again, what else could I expect? Nothing much. Not much else. Yeah, there's some contacts. Maybe I'll take those screws out, and that's it. Right, now the steering wheel, the rest of the steering wheel. Oh, there is a motor here. It's a vibrating motor. We'll connect it in a while. We'll see how it works. Oh, those pins. Okay, so let's. Oh, this is something interesting. I will get to that. No, it's not really interesting. It's a. Or maybe it is. Okay, let me unscrew it and we'll see. Okay, so what do we have here? This is some. It was like that. It's just clicked. This part, I think we can remove it this way. With some force maybe, or with some intelligence, I don't know. Which one should I use, the force or the brain? Well, let's just use the force. Let's just use the force. This is a cable. These cables are pretty cool, I will keep them. This is a board, of course, and this is a haptic feedback motor. Oh, it's called M2 on the board. I don't know if you can see it. M2 on the board. It says M2, so maybe there is another motor somewhere. Okay, let's remove it. I will connect it somewhere in a moment. And this is... what is this? Okay, this is actually an interesting part. Focus, please. You have those encoders probably here. I don't know. Actually, I don't know if those are encoders. There's a switch here that just you can click it and it clicks. I will disassemble it maybe. I don't know if I should take those those 4 parts. Can you see it? You can, sort of. I don't know if I can do it without the soldering kit. Oh, those are just potentiometers, I believe. B103, so probably 10 kilo ohm potentiometers. Yes, you can see it here. Focus. Those are just potentiometers. 10k potentiometers, but yeah, it's pretty interesting. And out of focus. It's pretty interesting. Yeah, okay. Maybe we can actually do it this way, and now we can open it or not. Again, should I use force or should I use brain? Or should I use both? I don't know. It's either force or the brain, usually. And another train. You can see, you can hear. Why doesn't it want to? Let's use just more force. Okay. Oh, because it was soldered. The switch was soldered. And now it isn't soldered anymore. Okay, so L stick. It's called L stick in case you're interested. Okay, so there's nothing else here really. But let's connect this motor and see how it vibrates. You probably remember this power supply. Oh, 40 volts. Maybe let's take it down a little bit. It will take some time, so I will pause. It's set to 0 volts now. Let's turn it on and increase the voltage. No, I'm setting the voltage or the current right now. Here is the current. Yeah, here's the voltage. Oh. 1.85 volts. Can you see the voltage reading? Yeah. 5 volts. Wow. It's getting crazy. Yeah, but it's really vibrating. It is vibrating. I don't want to break it because maybe I will use it. So let's set it to, wow, 10 volts is probably way too much because it should work at 5 volts. Oh, the motor isn't really, what is the current? 200 milliamps at 12 volts or 10 volts, 10 volts, and 260 milliamps when stopped, and at 5 volts it is 5 volts, 69 milliamps, and when stopped 132 milliamps. Wow. So it's not a strong motor, but it still vibrates, so it's still haptic feedback. It's really not that strong. Alright, let's turn it off. And I think that's it in this video, because, well, not much more to show. Thanks for watching.